here we go. So you don't need to see my face in these videos. I know that. But here's a lantana that I got on clearance at Lowe's. It was dead when I got it. Kind of nursed it back to health. It's gotten really cold outside here, but it's been in my greenhouse. Got a pretty good little trunk on it. It's going to be living in my new little greenhouse here this winter. But I get bored. So I'm probably going to try and pot it into a bonsai pot today. I'm going to get it out of this pot, see what the trunk looks like, and get to work on turning it into a bonsai. Lantana bonsai. It does not look like this. It bloomed a couple weeks ago when I put it in the greenhouse. Just crazy. It bloomed in November. It is yellow flowers. All right, let me find a pot for it. Here we'll have a few pot options. I have this small, tiny little unglazed pot. Could be a good size for it. Although we don't know what it looks like yet. Might fit well. I have a blue one. Another small one. Blue and yellow might be cool. Flowers come. This green one, no. I have a piece of stoneware that would require me to drill a hole in it. I think it's either going to be the blue or the tiny pot. I think the idea of the blue, green leaves, and the yellow flowers might be kind of cool. I think I'm going to go with the blue. So drainage. Alright, let's take this bad boy out of here. In the grand scheme of things, this doesn't matter, but you can see. Quite a bit of roots. Get them wet. A lot of trunk hidden there. Oh, that's pretty cool looking. Look at those aerial roots. I'm going to cut this little side one off. Turn that into a tree of its own. I bet I can. Got roots growing off of it. See that? How are you going to do that? Pretty cool. My son yelling at his video games. Look at this big giant root growing over the top. That trunk is a lot fatter than I thought it was down there. Oh, this is going to be cool. Gotta get rid of this big root. That root was going to girdle it. Let's cut this branch off real quick. Oh, look at that. Probably a tiny little tree. Has some root system. Pretty awesome. Having a little pot here. bonus tree. That's pretty cool. Hope it does well. Sure it will. I don't know if you can see in there, but that's a pretty thick trunk compared to what it looked like. Huh. So many roots. This soil's like mud. Got a pretty good root flare, really. I paid $2. I think I paid less than $2 for this tree. In the clearance bin, it looked like it was dead. I didn't think there was any. I scratched the trunk, and there was a little bit of green in it, so I risked it. But this one and one other one, brought them home. And here they are. Well, here's this one. The other one's still out in the greenhouse. It's not really a greenhouse, it's a cold frame. But this one's got some pretty good flavor to it. This is pretty cool. Pretty excited about this. Got to prune quite a few of these roots away though. See what's under there. So here, other roots right there. This mud packed in there. Root steel. I wish I hadn't broke that off. This big root needs to go. It's growing in the wrong direction. Oh, yeah, that's mud packed in there. I think I need that bottom one out of there so they can sit flat. Reverse needs to go. There's some big old roots underneath. Now we're getting some Nigel Saunders crazy root cutting going on here. Have to defoliate. So we're going to have to cut these tips off. Put it in the pot. That does have some pretty sweet root flare. Hopefully it grows really well like this. Wire this pot up. Oh, shoot. My bonsai tools are all out in the garage. What is part of why I don't have the proper pliers for this right now. And I'm sure there's a lot of people out there thinking, you are a nut job. Everything you're doing is terrible. And you're probably right. But this isn't your tree. This tree ends up having a really nice taper. Turns out. Give it some water. Oh, you're going to hear him defoliate this thing a little bit. Alright, so what we got here is a dead branch. Small branch going off of it. This branch is growing down. Don't need that. This one, the foliage gone. A dead branch here. A big old dead branch here in the back. Up and over. Nice branch, we'll keep it, but probably reduce these leaves quite a bit because of what I just did. Oh, leaf reduction. Too many branches here. Oh, it's coming out the front. It's just gotta go. Oh, there's so many things happening in this one area that we don't need. Definitely need like 18 branches going out of the same spot. That's not going to be good for the tree. This one can go. Get that one. That can go. That can go. Straight and ugly, it can go. Too many nodes. Turn it back. Turn it back. This leaf. This leaf. This leaf. This branch may eventually go away. Depends on what grows. I'd like to see something come out. You see how this straightness is dead, kind of, but has like two little a shoot coming off here and on the other side. I'd like to see most of these like 8 shoots in one spot things. We'll let that one grow, nurture that one. This one. This one. Our apex. Or, might not. This might not be our apex because this all might come off. Depends on what grows. That's all we're going to do for now. About these giant leaves. Okay. Well, there it is. It's all potted up. Start at the Lantana bonsai. I think it's got a pretty cool taper. Surprised by that taper and root flare. Keep you updated. I'm going to stick it in the greenhouse and watch it grow. Thanks for watching.